Good morning. It is day 10, and apparently, while I slept, this thing was in my tent. Look at this thing. It's like some sort of weird bug. Bugs. Also, this is what I look like at this point. Alright, so there's the trail. This is PCT. And then, here's the view. Pretty crazy. It's a little windy. Down there in the distance you can see what I'm pretty sure is Wrightwood. Alright, so Wrightwood is 2.7 miles down that way. And the thing is that, you know, I don't really want to go down there, that Acorn Trail, because I have looked at the maps and I have heard from people that it is very, very, very steep that way. It descends like almost 2,000 feet, I think, in that 2.7 miles, you know. Maybe it's 1,000 feet. It could be 1,000 feet. Either way, that's ridiculous. Even at 1,000 feet going, you know, 2.7 miles, that's quite a lot. And you know what? I don't want to come back up to that, especially, you know. So I'm gonna keep on going this way, and I'll have about 6 miles to the highway, Highway 2. And then I will just hitchhike into town. Look at that view. Look at that view. Alright. Over here, we got some nice little grass and everything, you know. Looks pretty nice over here as well. And then, though, there's this rope on the ground, if you can see that. Alright. Oh, what's that rope about, you know? I'm like, what is this, you know? And then you see like signs off in the distance, and then you look at this sign here, and you can't really read it, but then you notice, what's that? Yep, this is like a ski resort area, you know? Pretty crazy, right? People ski down this in the winter when there's snow, and this is the boundary line over here. If I walk down here a bit, you can see it. Oh jeez, gonna fall over and hurt myself, but I'm okay. Right here you can see ski area boundary. Crazy, right? Look at that. Unfortunately, there's signs that say no trespassing, no swimming, so I can't get in there. But I have enough water. And then over there is more the ski resort area. Pretty cool. Cool. Alright. I am in a motel now. And it looks pretty nice. I mean, look at that. There's like a little mini fridge in the corner. You know? I mean, there's tissues. There's this bed. I mean, this looks awesome. Got all my stuff sitting around. And there's a bathroom. Oh my gosh. Yes. Alright. Alright, so this is what I look like now. So, this is what my feet look like today. Yep. Alright, so this is before taking a shower. And now, after a shower. And now my feet look a lot better. Still gotta get cleaner though. Here's the view outside. Got a little restaurant down the way there. And yeah. Still got my wristband. Alright, that's the end of day 10. Alright! And now, it is day 11. Woo! Did I mention day 11 is my birthday? Alright, so now it's been sprinkling outside just a little bit. You can't really see it, but you can kind of see outside the ground's getting a little wet, you know. Just a little bit of sprinkle, just a little bit of rain. But yeah. Look at my thumb. It's getting better. Yay! This is the book I've been reading. Firestarter by Stephen King. It's the #1 bestseller. Yep, I've finished it a few days ago though, and it's pretty good. It was good. It almost didn't have any weird sex stuff in it. Almost. It almost made it all the way through, but it is a Stephen King book, so. And now, I'm reading this book, We, by Yevgeny Zamyatin. It is pretty good. It's, you know, dystopian, you know, sci-fi. And I guess it's basically the first dystopia, you know, as far as literature goes. And it is very good. It is very good. It is very, there's a lot of math in it for some reason. It's interesting. But this I started on just a couple days ago. And, you know, I'm getting towards the end of it really, so. Got a little bit of hail, but now it's sprinkling. Ah! I'm getting hailed on. Oh man. No. Oh man. Oh well. So over here, I got just a few things that aren't packed up yet. And then over here, everything is packed. I had tons of stuff just laying out on the floor, like, 6-7 days worth of food, and now it's all in here. And it's a lot of food. It's a lot. But yeah, and I produced a lot of trash as well. But yeah, and I have the bandana here all laid out on the bed, and I've got I'm looking through all the towns and everything. It's kind of crazy, to see that I am right about here at Wrightwood, and I'm finishing up here at Tehachapi. I mean, it's crazy. It's insane. It really is. But yeah. So yeah, and now I have a new book that I put away. It's in there now. But it's by Michael Crichton. And yeah. So now, I have 2 books because I got rid of Firestarter since I finished it. I guess that's like the rule or something. There can only ever be 2. That's like a Star Wars thing, right? With the Sith, There's only ever 2 of them. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So that's the end of day 11. Tomorrow will be day 12, and I'll be heading out of town. I'll be hiking out. Well, I'll hitchhike out, and then I'll hike. And then hopefully the next stop in a few days will be Agua Dulce in the Southleys. I don't know. Alright, so that's the end of day 11.